This is Unit 5, Lesson 5, Problems 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, so 3 through 7. All right, for these problems, they told us that we had a trapezoid with an original area of 100 square units. We're trying to find the scale factor that will give us a new area of, and then you can see in each of the corresponding problems. So on number 3, it's 6,400 square units is the new area, okay? So in this lesson, we learned that we could take the new area divided by the old area. And then if that's going to give us our scale factor, when we do that division, that actually gives us the scale factor squared, right? Because we know that if we take the original or the old area and we multiply it by the scale factor squared, that's how we get our new area. And so it's really just like we are reversing this process, right? Instead of multiplying by the scale factor squared, we're going to divide to get our square of our scale factor. And then if I'm looking for my scale factor, I'm just going to take the square root, okay? So if I do the square root of k squared, that's how we're going to find our scale factor. All right, so on number 3, if our new area is going to be 6,400, our original area was 100, right? And so we would divide those. Well, we multiplied our area by 64. So if I know that I multiplied by 64, right, that's k squared, we need to take the square root of 64 and get 8. So if I had an original area of 100 and I multiplied by 8 squared, that would give me a new area of 6,400. So our scale factor on number 3 was 8. All right, number 4, we're going to work the same way. On number 4, it says that we have a new area of 900 square units. Our original area was still 100 square units, so 900 divided by 100 is going to give me 9. So I multiplied my original area by 9 to get 900 square units. We're going to take the square root of 9 and get 3 for our scale factor. So on number 4, we should have a scale factor of 3. All right, number 5, we'll work through this process, but we may be able to think about this another way. On number 5, if our new area is 100, 100 divided by our original area of 100 gives us 1. If I take the square root of 1, I get 1. And it makes sense that our scale factor is 1 if we didn't change our area, right? If the original area and the new area are the same, our scale factor is always going to calculate to be 1. All right, number 6, we had a new area of 25 square units divided by our original area of 100 square units. Well, 25 divided by 100 is going to give me 1/4, or 0.25. But remember, we still need to take the square root of that. And so if I take the square root of 1/4, I'm thinking, well, what times itself is 1/4? We're going to get 1/2, or 0.5. So on number 6, we should have k equals 1/2, or k equals 0.5. All right, on number 7, our new area is 4 square units divided by the original area of 100 square units. Well, 4 divided by 100 is going to give me 1/25, or 0.04. I still have to take the square root of that value. And so if I'm looking for what times itself is going to give me 1/25, well, the answer is 1/5, or in the decimal form, 0.2. So our scale factor on number 7 should be 1/5, or 0.2.